Hey amazing people, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my channel for the first time, my name is Chile Rack. So on today's video we are going to be learning how to attach zip to a trouser, or you can use this same method apply to your skirt. This applies to all garment that you want to attach a zip on. Okay, first you're going to stitch the part that you're going to fix your zip on. Okay, stitch it and you are going to iron it so that you have this crease line on your trouser or on your skirt or on your dress. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to get your zip, place your zip inside underneath like you see me doing, so that you know the part where you are going to which side is for you to know the right side, the rifle side to place your zip on. Okay, so once you have done getting that, so you choose between where and which the right side or the left side you want to start with. For me, I'm starting with my right side because the zipper foot on my sewing machine is the left side, so I'm going to start with the left side. So as you can see the way I'm pinning it, okay, I'm going to pin it down all the way to the edge where my zip is going to stop. And bear it in mind when you're going to pin it, when you're going to start to stitch it, you're not going to take off the zip, the pin, so that it will guide you through when you're stitching, and it will maintain the line that it was supposed to be. So that crease line is also a guideline for you to know exactly where the allowances that you kept for your zip that is supposed to be. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to do. I'm going to be pinning it all the way down, and also once I'm done, I'm going to switch to the other side, which is the left side of my pant, or to the zip. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pin it like this. So once I'm done, I'm going to start pinning. Okay, arrange it proper, make sure the teeth match together to the crease line, because that crease line is your guideline. Okay, so and then I'm going to pin again, pin it all the way down. So if you're seeing my channel for the first time and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new from the channel today. And also help me share this video so that anybody who is finding it difficult to fit zip to their garment can also be able to get it also. Okay, so once I'm done pinning all this round, I'm going to start by stitching it. So you're going to place it very close to the edge of the to the teeth of the zip, or rather, yeah, okay. And once you're stitching it, don't take out the pin. Okay, you can take out the pin when you know that you can be able to control it. Okay, for me, I'm going to take out the pin from this part here because it's very close to the end of the zip, where my zip is going to stop. Okay, so once I'm done, trim off all the rough edges, and then I'm going to take out my zipper fold. I'm going to change my zipper fold. Okay, so I'm going to change it, and then I'm going to start by stitching the other side, which is this part. Okay, so my pin was not enough, so I need to start pin this part because I've already done for the other side. Okay, so yeah, so once I'm done pinning, I'm going to also stitch it the way I did for the other side of the zip. So the same thing you did for the right side, you're going to do the same thing to the left side. Okay, so stitching it very close to the edge of the teeth of the zip, it will also help you get a good result. And you will find out that at the end of the day, when you're done, you see that your zip look almost like invisible zip. Is because you stitched get it very close to the edge, but when you made it, you kept some opening or not close to the teeth of the zip. You find out that you, at the end of the day, you have that some space between the line of the zip. I don't know if you understand exactly what I'm saying. So right now I'm done. As you can see, it looks very close to the it looks like invisible zip. There is no space in between. So this is what you are going to look at to get once you've done. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm going to take out the pin, and that was it. that is the end of this tutorial. I want to say a very big thank you for watching, and like I say, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you still waiting for? Kindly do so you will not miss out on any tutorial that will come in. And don't forget to turn on your post notification, because a new tutorial will be dropping soon. Okay, so thank you so much, and help me share this video also, and see you on my next tutorial. Bye.